জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I have.
I don't want to listen to anything. Get out of here. I said get out. Look, don't compel me to throw you out forcefully. Leave.
Aha! Let her speak, Deepu. Tell me what you want to say.
No, Mom. We won't listen to her.
Why? Why won't we listen to her?
Because she has no right to set foot in this house. And these are not my words. Mom has said so. Ask her. Tell me, Mom. Am I lying? Didn't you tell me in the room that their marriage is not valid and you didn't accept it? In fact, even Deepu didn't accept it. So there's no need for the divorce. Didn't you say all that? If this marriage is not valid, why will she come into this house and why will you listen to her?
I am so unfortunate. Everyone wants to prove my marriage invalid. And today I have come to prove my marriage invalid myself.
You are so shameless. Deepu dropped you off at your village and you came back. Why did you come back here? You are not the daughter-in-law of this family. Didn't you understand there wouldn't be any place for you in this house?
Greed. She has come back because of her greed. You know what? She must have realized that if she stays in this house, no one can stop her from living like a queen. She wants to become the daughter-in-law of this family. She wants the ownership of the property. And she wants to rule the roost here. Can this rustic girl contain so much greed?
Not everyone is like you, Vicky.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
You are staying at our place. We taunt you and humiliate you so much, you're still staying here. Greed is the reason, right? You get food here without doing any work. You get many other things. Isn't that greed?
You are comparing this girl with my brother. You are...
Mom, don't waste time talking. Just ask her to leave from here immediately. Also, tell her that the door of this house is closed for her forever.
Friend, listen. So what if the door of the house is closed? I'll open the window. If needed, you can enter through the window. You won't go anywhere in the street.
Rangana, you...
Tripto, you don't know. I'd gone out during the rain. I felt so cold. I kept sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. If she goes into the rain, she will also feel cold. She will also sneeze.
Rangana, why do you have to always argue with your elders? Always. You will not utter a single word. And who told you to defend this girl?
Aunt, we too have to stop Tripto and my friend's divorce. Am I right, Aunt?
Oh, has Pratima become your teacher nowadays? You two will stop Deepu's divorce, right? Go ahead. Let me see how you stop it. They will surely get divorced. You are impossible, Sanjukta. Pratima is talking nonsense under the influence and you are arguing with her. We spoke in front of the lawyer. When they got married without any paperwork, they won't get divorced legally. No, Mom. Please forgive me this time. I can't do as you say. Hey, did you hear that? I'll get you and Deepu divorced. So don't stand here shamelessly and get out of here. Hey, listen. Leave. Come on. Come on.
Hey, wait! The divorce will take place. They aren't divorced yet.
Keep quiet, will you? Why do you interfere in every matter?
You are wrong, mother. I only talk in matters related to Nayan. And the reason is that girl and I are in the same situation. My husband abandoned me back then. And today, her husband is abandoning her. Back then, someone tried to throw me out too. And today, she is trying to throw Nayan out. The only difference is there was no one to defend me. And today, I am there to defend her. Since she is being thrown out of the house today, I have a question for everyone. They aren't divorced yet. Then, why is she being thrown out of the house? Until they both are divorced. Till that day, Nayan will be the daughter-in-law of this family. No matter what you say, mother. They got married in front of Lord with holy fire as the witness and... she will live in this house as the daughter-in-law of this family. Let go of her hand. Come, Nayan. Come in.
She won't go in. Deepu doesn't accept her as his wife. So she's not the daughter-in-law of this family.
Your brother-in-law doesn't accept me as his wife. Yet I live in this house as a daughter-in-law of this family. If I can stay here, why can't Nayan stay here? Listen to me carefully, Sanjukta. You couldn't throw me out of the house despite trying your level best. Similarly, you can't throw Nayan out of this house either. she was a daughter-in-law of this family. She is, and she always will.
Oh, Pratima will ruin everything. How do I make her understand? She's making a mistake. We can't let Nayan stay here as Deepu's wife. Otherwise, she will be in danger. Deepu's enemies will vent their anger on her. They'll try to harm Nayan first. What do I do? Keep quiet. Keep quiet, Pratima. Just keep quiet. Sanjukta is Nayan's mother-in-law. She will decide whether to give Nayan the rights of her daughter-in-law or not. Who are you to interfere?
Mother,
Grandma, you are no more clear. You have become like a ball. You are switching sides these days. Tell me whose team you are actually in. I can't understand anything. I won't play with you anymore.
Keep quiet, Rangana. And Mom, let me tell you something. I am not this girl's mother-in-law because she is not the daughter-in-law of this family. This girl has made my son's life a living hell. So throwing her out of my son's life is my only purpose, and I will throw her out. Hey, listen. Get one thing straight. You are not Deepu's wife. You are not the family's daughter-in-law, and don't even try to become one. And don't ever come back here. People like you come to this house to ask for alms, not rights.
I have come to ask for alms, Mother. Please give me alms. The way you give alms to the beggars who come home, give me alms too, Mother. I am asking for alms from you. Give me alms.
What did you say? You've come to ask for alms. What do you want?
You have a huge house. Please let me live in one corner. I won't get shelter elsewhere. I hail from a village. Girls who return to the village after divorce are looked down upon. The villagers won't let my family live in peace there. My family will suffer. They will be disrespected. My sister won't get married. You are so rich. So won't you let me live here like a maid?
Wow! Nice strategy. Unbelievable. Vicky, did you understand her strategy?
Why won't I? She will beg and enter the house like a maid. And then she will capture the entire household. This is your strategy, right? This is your intention.
No, I'll stay here as a maid, trust me. I am swearing on the Lordess. I'll do whatever chores you ask me to do. You can scold me or hit me. You can do whatever you want. But I won't complain. You won't even know that I'm staying here. Won't you? Won't Can't you show this much mercy on me? Won't you give me shelter in your house?
What is Nayan saying? She'll become a maid. No, Mom. You please tell her that what she's saying is not possible. Make the daughter-in-law of the family work as a maid is not our family's culture.
You're mistaken, Tripto. I'm not the daughter-in-law of this family. I'm not related to this family. In fact, I am no one to you either. And this is what you all said. Can't you show some mercy on the one who is no one to this family?
No, we can't show any mercy. Why will you stay here as a maid? You're not supposed to be a maid.
Then what am I supposed to be, Tripto? I can't be this family's daughter-in-law. I can't be this family's maid. Then what am I, Tripto? What am I supposed to be?
Mom, ask her to leave, please. I'm not obliged to answer her questions. Please ask her to leave.
No. I can't make Tripto angry. I have to take shelter in this house in order to protect him. I'm not doing any of this for myself. I'm doing all this for Tripto. I don't want any answers. I just want shelter. I only want a place to live in. I am begging. And if you want, I'll stay in a corner.
No, my friend. You have a house. Why will you stay here as a maid?
Maids don't have houses. There are so many servants in this house. I'll stay as one of them, and I'll stay here in such a way that after a point, you'll even forget my identity. I'll be one of them, you'll see. Tripto, please show some mercy, Tripto. Please give me this as alms. Please give me shelter.
What do? I can't tolerate her. I can't tolerate her at all. I want her to go away so that I don't have to see her face. But she's right. On the day we got married, I saw the villagers' behavior. What if they don't let her stay there after she returns to the village?
Hey, what will Deepu say? I will say whatever needs to be said. Get up. Come along, come on.
Leave her, Sanjukta. Leave her. Leave. Let her stay here, Sanjukta. She just wants to stay here as a maid. No one should have a problem with this. If we get Deepu remarried, she won't object. Tell me, girl, will you object?